Hey guys, and welcome to my living room. I know it looks very different because I have a new TV unit cabinet thing that I have been wanting to get for so long, and not this one specifically, I just mean I've just wanted one. The problem was I couldn't decide what kind of TV unit I wanted, so I went almost 2 months without purchasing one. So I moved into this apartment a couple of months ago. I didn't have any furniture. I got rid of all of my furniture when I moved a couple of times ago, and I got stuck. I didn't know what I wanted. I wanted to make sure that whatever I was buying was something that's gonna work with everything, and that's why I decided to go with white. I was like, if I just get a white one, then it will go with everything, and it just makes life really, really easy. So today I'm gonna run through some more stuff that I'm purchasing. I'm off to Kmart and Ikea to do some home decor shopping, and I would like to buy a shelf for over next to my mirror. And that's what we're up to today. We're gonna actually finally finish my apartment. So this is my TV unit. It's actually a low-lying buffet. So I wanted something that was like all white, no handles, no decorative pieces, just plain and simple. So I've got 3 drawers down the middle, 2 doors on either side. I've started putting some stuff in there, but I have so much storage and to play with, which makes me really excited. I've got all my electronics in this drawer, just random things in the next 2 drawers, and I can't wait to get through and start organizing that as well. So if I see any storage today while I'm out and about, I might buy it so that I can neaten up the drawers, just organize everything, and I'm really excited for that. Now that you've seen the new piece, we're gonna go get decorating, and I'm so excited. I've made it in to Kmart, and the first thing that I've seen is this super glam black candle. It's just beautiful, and I'd love to put that on my TV unit. So far, I've got 2 flower bunches in the trolley. I think I'm gonna pull them apart and mix them together. I also found this goldy yellow fringe cushion shoved in the bottom of a shelf, and I've had a look around, and I actually think it's the last one. And this isn't for my living room, this is for my bedroom. But I just really liked it, so I thought, why not get it? I just found this thing, and this is exactly what I want in a vase. I hate the handle, but it's screwed on. I could totally take the handle off and have the exact vase that I have been looking for. I need to find one that's not the display one. I don't think you understand. I have been trying. There they are, up there, in the box. I have been trying to find one of these online for so long, and I hate the handle, but I can take it off, and sure, there'll be like holes in the side, but pretty much exactly what I want, and it's only $15, so I'm getting one. You just don't understand how excited I am right now because I've been looking so hard to find something just like that. I'm so happy. Anyways, I need to go to the picture frames. So I'm looking for the frames that I actually have above my bed, and they are this one here, but I need them in the bigger size, and I don't know if they have them. I just want them in the 50 by 70. I found one right here. These are great because they're only like $12.99, super affordable, and you couldn't buy these online. I was actually gonna do an IKEA order online, but I couldn't get this online. So now the only other thing I want is like my little furniture item. I feel like they've changed everything around in here. Oh, look at these. These are cool. Quite like these. Yeah, I feel like they've changed everything around in here. Nothing's quite the way that it was, but they've got lots of cool fake plants, but I actually want to look at their real plants. When I was doing my online shopping, I found this in like a white, and I wonder if they have it. I mean, I really like pink, but I really would love it in white. They have them in stock, and they're actually not that heavy, so I should be able to get this up to my apartment pretty easily. It's this little bookshelf here. I was gonna get one maybe like 6 months ago when I lived in the old house, and then I was actually really glad I didn't because I didn't think it would look good in the new house, but here I am. Last time I was here, they actually were out of stock, so this is good. I'm here, I've got one, I'm going home with all these things, and I get to style up my apartment and build this afternoon. I just got home, I've got my little box over there, everything is ready to put together, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna spend the afternoon working on that little bookshelf, and honestly I'm a bit exhausted. I'm not feeling too well. I wonder if I ate something a bit funny, I don't know. But I need to show you everything that I got because I got everything that I absolutely wanted. I could not have had a better day shopping, and I don't think I've ever had a better day shopping where I've just managed to get every single thing that I wanted, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I did go to Bed Bath & Table and get 2 things I saw in the window which were absolutely cute. I got something from Ikea and Kmart, so I'm gonna get it all out and show you what I got. The first thing I got from Bed Bath & Table is this little white and gold glass container. I saw this there months ago and I really, really liked it, and I saw it again today and I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna splurge and get it, and it was actually on sale for $15, so it wasn't even that bad. This one I'm a little unsure of because it's really large, but it's this vase, and I'm wondering if my peonies that I have could actually fit in it. If it doesn't fit, I will take it back and get the small size, but I just thought I would try the big one for now. So then from Spotlight, you saw this one, which is that glass jar thing that had like the strap on it, but I'm going to take the strap off because I just want to turn it into a vase. I had been looking to try and find sort of a round shaped vase in this size with the little glass bumps all over it, and it's absolutely perfect. So I found this fringe cushion in Kmart in just a random shelf. I don't think it was supposed to be there, and I love the color of it. It'll go really well with all the yellow in my bedroom, so that's why I got that. And it was only $8. And then I also got these two bunches of flowers. I think this one was $8 and this one was $5, and I want to pull them apart and actually mix them all together. I also have another 50 by 70 frame from IKEA. They're $12.99, super affordable, same as the ones that I have above my bed, and I wanted to put this one above the little bookshelf that I'm about to make. Going to take the handle off this thing so I can turn it into a vase. Like there's a little hole, but it's really not noticeable, and once you have the leaves of the flowers and everything over it and the petals, you won't notice it. The other thing I want to do is cut open all of these flowers and then put them into their own arrangement, combining the two different types of flowers. So this is what I've got so far. I'm starting to think maybe I need more in there because I feel like maybe the flowers quite aren't as big as the vase, but it's amazing and I love it. And I have my little container, and then I have this thing, what do you call it, a frame. It's Friday, and yesterday I went to Adairs and I picked up two things. I got this marble tray, which I saw online and I just had to have. I think it's just a really nice little tray to have here on the entryway. I can put my jewelry, like my watch and everything, maybe my wallet, whatever, just kind of have it styled up. Also for my coffee table when it arrives, and then this black thing can go into my bedroom again to be a bedside table, is some coasters. They're just these gold, like hammered metal coasters from Adairs, super cute. So that with the flowers and everything will probably sit somewhere over here. And then this concrete one, I think I'm gonna put it outside and put my plants on it. This is the really big green vase I got from Bed Bath & Table. I have the white peonies that I got from Adairs ages ago. You can still buy these, and I think it looks pretty good. Like, I don't know, I'm still a bit unsure on that one, but I've got it there for now. And then yesterday at Bed Bath & Table, I found this little gem, which I think is gorgeous. I'm just not 100% on it either. Their returns policy is great too, so I do have time to return it if I'm not into it. I'm just gonna wait until I get the rest of the furniture and just see how I feel next week about it, but I think it's pretty cute. I'm just loving this really textured colored glass at the moment. So that's it and what I've done so far. I'm so excited for the coffee table to arrive. I've actually got an ottoman coming this afternoon, so everything is coming together. I'm about to go into the city because I need to get my nails done and I have an appointment, and while I'm there I'm going to go to H&M Home because I am obsessed with H&M Home. I want everything that they have, and now that I kind of have an idea of where I'm going, I can pick up some of the decor. I know there's definitely a candle holder I would like, maybe a couple of candles. I just got home with all of my goodies. I only went to H&M. So I picked up this hand pump, and I love textures right now, and I want to mix textures and colors. So I actually got this for the kitchen bench, so it's a little bit more fancy than just a regular packaged bottle. I also picked up this container because I saw this about a week ago and I really liked it. I found this little black tea light holder, which I thought would be really cool next to my black candle on my bookshelf. I also got this gold candle holder, which I've been wanting for ages. And then I also got some of these green stick candles as well, and a couple of hand towels as well because my white ones are starting to look a bit yuck, and then I got grey because they just look really nice. I like the texture of them, and I think these will be really good in the kitchen. I've popped this up here and I really like it, but what I really need is a bigger candle. I need something that's a bit taller and thicker that I think would look really good there. This one can go here for now. Actually, that looks so good like that. Oh my god, I love it. I don't actually really know where it's going to go, whether it will stay there or go on the coffee table, but that's where it is for now and I absolutely love it. I'm going to put this little guy up over here next to the TV and next to that plant. I'm not sure if I'll keep the yellow thing there. Oh my god, I actually love the yellow and the green together. I love the mixing of the textures and the colors. That can stay there for now. It's so fabulous. I love it. It actually looks so good up here. I don't even know if I want to change this now. No, I still think I want to put this on the coffee table. I was thinking about doing these two on the coffee. Oh my god, actually I kind of wanted this whole set on the coffee table. Do you know what? It doesn't matter. I'll like put something together. Just for reference, I feel like I need something of that kind of color up in here, like something that's orange or brown or yellow, just to tie it all in together. And I think that would look really good. I could very well get the little container version of this. There's a little container with a gold lid. It looks so cute. Maybe that would work. I've got it balancing and I'm hoping it stays so that I can get all of the last of the hand soap into the container. Nope, it didn't work. Okay, well, it's pretty much empty anyway. I just think this little container will look so much more fancy on my bench top compared to this. There's nothing wrong with this. I mean, it's cute. It does have a label on it, and I hate the fact that sometimes you'll have this cute side and then other times you'll have like the barcode and stuff. So I just thought if I have something that it doesn't matter which way it's facing, it's going to look good. And I'm really considering getting the little container that matches this to put over on the bench top. It looks so good. I love this color. I love the texture, the gold. I'm so excited. It's all coming together so nicely and exactly how I wanted it to. So I've spent months on Instagram and Pinterest collecting photos and it's all just looking how I thought it would look, and that's amazing. Fingers crossed the ottoman gets delivered very shortly. It arrived. I'm so excited. This is the Sweetie Ottoman round in seafoam. I started opening it and then I was like, no, I have to get you guys so we can open it together. It's beautiful and I love it. I think it looks really, really amazing. I have my orange cushions out here and the sort of the pink and the orange, and I actually don't really mind it. I think it's quite a nice contrast because this is not too intense, and I feel like this kind of ties in with sort of these greeny colors up here. So I'm actually really, really happy with it. I can't wait to get the coffee table on Monday, and then this whole space should really, really start to come together. It's Monday morning and I just got this package from Booktopia. I made the order, I think on Thursday night last week, and it's just arrived. So I'm really excited. This is the Vogue and the Metropolitan Museum of Art Costume Institute Parties, Exhibitions and People, and I really, really like it. It smells delicious. I love the smell of books because they just smell so nice, but it's so beautiful. While it's a coffee table book, I actually got it to go in the bookshelf. I want to put it here where my bags are. I'd really love to get some extra books to put on top of it, and I love the beautiful colors on the front of the book. I think it's amazing. I'm thinking on this side I might put a little tray with some bar sort of stuff, and then down the bottom I would actually like to put a basket so I can put my handbag in the basket and then something else on the other side. I'm not sure, and this is all looking really good too, but I can't wait to get my coffee table and move around all the decor pieces and see what I want to put where. So because the coffee table is on its way, I'm just going to do like a little before, and I'm going to move these items and put them elsewhere. It looks so good. I'm so happy with it. I'm gonna style it up and put some decor on here because I think it's gonna look so good. These, the little coasters that I got from Adair's last week, that just looks so good. I love it. And I love that it's like dark here and then dark down here on the legs of the chair, and there's little bits of gold, and it's all working so nicely together. I love it. So what I originally wanted was for these flowers and this little container and the coasters to sit here, and I wanted a gold candlestick holder, but I actually think this candlestick holder is just too big for this space. So I'm gonna go put this back back up on the bookshelf where I think it will look better. And then maybe these three can just stay here on their own. Maybe I don't need a candle holder there. The only other thing that I was worried about with this little collection of 3 items here is that they're all heavily textured. I thought maybe it's too much texture in the one spot, so I might have to switch one of these items. This one is my clear plain vase that I got from like a $2 shop years ago that I put my fresh flowers in, and that will add a bit more height to match this candle holder. I think they work really well, but I also quite like that this isn't as detailed as some of the other vases that I have. Anyway, we're gonna work on this space and everything else. I'm gonna play around and see what I can come up with. So over here, I brought down the green sort of pot from the TV unit, but I think because it's a black surface, it's just too much. I've also turned this into my little coin and international jar. Actually, there's a bit of Australian money in there, but it's mostly just all of the coins and stuff that's left over from when I've traveled. These are the random leftover pieces. I definitely need something with texture just here. I might need to get a bigger, more detailed vase to go here with some flowers. Definitely want to keep the candle stick here because I think it's beautiful and it works really well here and creates height to go next to this picture thing that I don't even have a picture in yet. Then I just have this old little coaster I got from Kmart forever ago, a tea light, and then my little jar of gold, which I think is great. So I'm just trying to work with this right now and I don't really know what to do. Look at this mess. I am so glad that I'm finally done buying all the furniture so that I don't have to worry about any of this mess anymore, because it's really not good to have this much rubbish. I think it's coming together really nicely. When I sit on the couch, this is what I see, and I think this is so beautiful. Everything seems to be working really well together. The only thing is that every bit of color is green, gold, and black and white, pretty much, and gray. I think I need to add a little bit of depth and maybe add something else. I'm not sure, but it's starting to come together, and I'm just really loving how this all looks. So I have the ottoman down there. I have the beautiful black marble coffee table, these details on the coffee table. I have everything on either side of TV unit at the moment. I just have my old gray throw, which I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with. I need to work out what I'm doing with this side table because obviously it's very plain. And then I brought out all the yellow cushions from in my room and put them on the couch just because I think the yellow actually goes really nicely with the rest of this living room. So this is what my living room looks like right now. I'm obsessed with it. It feels so nice and it's exactly what I wanted, and I'm so happy. It's actually a couple days later, and as you can see, I still don't have a print yet. I'm trying to find the right kind of print. I want something to be a little bit dark so it has that nice contrast, but I will work it out. The only thing left to do in my apartment now is just to finalize those tiny little details and get little things like a print or a vase or anything like that. So I have a few things in mind that I would like to get, but I'm gonna wrap this video up here. That's pretty much all of the major stuff for my apartment. The furniture is done and I am so excited. So now it's just a little journey of finding all the cute things for my apartment, and I'm really excited about that. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.